Hello there. In this lesson, we'll talk about how to connect two tables vertically. So far in this course, we have only discussed how to merge two tables, which mainly grows them horizontally. But what if you want to grow them vertically? We can use the concat method to concatenate or stick tables together vertically or horizontally. But in this lesson, we'll focus on vertical concatenation. Often, data of different periods of time will come in multiple tables, but if we want to analyze it together, we'll need to combine them into one. Here are three separate tables of invoice data from our streaming service. Notice the column headers are the same. The separate tables are named INV_Jan through March. We can pass a list of table names into the pandas.concat method to combine the tables. They are combined in the order they are passed in. To concatenate vertically, the axis argument should be set to 0, but 0 is the default, so we don't need to explicitly write this. The result is a vertically combined table. Notice each table's index value was retained. If the index contains no valuable information, then we can ignore it in the concat method by setting the ignore index to true. The result is that the index will go from 0 to n-1. Now, suppose we wanted to associate specific keys with each of the pieces of our three original tables. We can provide a list of labels to the keys argument. Make sure that the ignore index argument is false, since you cannot add a key and ignore the index at the same time. This results in a table with a multi-index with a label on the first level. What if we need to combine tables that have different column names? The invoice Feb table now has a column added for billing country. The concat method by default will include all of the columns in the different tables it is combining. The sort argument, if true, will alphabetically sort the different column names in the result. We can see in the results that the billing country for January invoices is NAN. However, there are values for the February invoices. If we only want the matching columns between tables, we can set the join argument to inner. Its default value is equal to outer, which is why concat by default will include all of the columns. Additionally, the sort argument has no effect when join equals inner. The order of the columns will be the same as the input tables. Now, the billing country column is gone, and we're only left with the columns the tables have in common. Now, let's briefly talk about append. Append is a simplified concat method. It supports the ignore index and sort arguments. However, it does not support keys or join. Join is always set to outer. Let's combine these tables with the append method. Append is a DataFrame method, therefore, we list the invoice Jan table first, then call the method. We add the other tables as a list and set the ignore index and sort arguments similar to concat method. In our output, we see no values for the billing country except for January. Additionally, the index is adjusted as expected. With that, let's get some practice.